The 800,000 tons Coal-to-Olefins project in Wucaiwan is advancing at full speed. We craft premium modular camp units, turning the vast desert into a livable oasis for the builders who work there. Spanning more than 2,000 square meters, the camp consists of 119 prefabricated modular units. The project adopts a square-shaped enclosed layout to adapt to the desert climate, wind protection, and sand resistance. The inner side of the camp features a glass curtain wall design. Greatly enhances natural daylighting, making the entire space bright and airy. Scientific zoning for optimized functionality. A large office zone, assembled from 20 functional modules and 4 corridor groups. Spacious interior. Executive office. Manager's office. Meeting rooms of various sizes fully meet the needs of daily office work, meetings and discussions, and work coordination. Living amenities are equally complete. Staff canteen built with standard container modules. Spacious and practical. A grand and refined reception area covering 36 square meters. Clean restrooms and shower facilities are also provided. True balance between work efficiency and living comfort. From camp planning to overall delivery and operation, we provide full process customized turnkey services. Premium container units for fast-track camp deployment. Efficient solutions for national flagship projects. Rooted in Xinjiang, committed to the Northwest, relying on the core strength of Chengdong's Xinjiang factory. Mature technology and high-quality craftsmanship ensure the successful implementation of the energy-based project. Sustained service for major Northwest projects.